In the dynamic world of project management, effective collaboration and controlled information flow are paramount. Wrike, a powerful project management platform, understands this need and offers a robust system of access levels to ensure the right people have the right permissions at the right time. Think of it like a well-organized building with various security clearances. Some can roam freely, while others have access to specific departments only. Understanding these different types of access in Wrike is crucial for project managers, team leaders, and anyone involved in using the platform. It allows you to maintain data integrity, streamline workflows, and foster a secure yet collaborative environment. This video will break down the various access levels in Wrike in simple terms, making it easy for both newcomers and those looking to solidify their understanding. At its core, Wrike's access control revolves around the principle of least privilege, meaning users should only have the minimum level of access required to perform their tasks. This prevents accidental modifications, unauthorized data viewing, and ensures a more organized and secure project workspace. Let's delve into the different tiers of access you'll encounter in Wrike. 1. Account Admin. Think of the account admin as the architect and the head of security for your entire Wrike building. This is the highest level of access and is typically granted to a select few individuals within an organization. Account admins have complete control over the Wrike account, including user management, adding, removing, and managing user accounts, including assigning licenses and roles, security settings, configuring security policies, authentication methods, and managing external access, billing and subscriptions, overseeing the Wrike subscription, managing billing information, and adding or removing features. Global settings, customizing account-wide settings, such as default work hours, notification preferences, and integrations. Space and folder structure, creating, modifying, and managing the overall organizational structure within Wrike. Customization, creating and managing custom fields, workflows, and reports that apply across the entire account. In essence, account admins are responsible for the foundational setup and ongoing maintenance of the Wrike environment. This role requires a deep understanding of the organization's needs and Wrike's capabilities. 2. Collaborator. Collaborators represent a significant portion of users within a Wrike workspace. They are individuals who actively participate in projects and tasks, but typically have more restricted administrative privileges compared to other user types. Collaborators can view assigned tasks and projects. They can see the tasks and projects they are assigned to or have been explicitly shared with, participate in discussions. They can comment on tasks and projects, providing updates, asking questions, and engaging in team communication. Update task status. They can change the status of their assigned tasks as they progress through the workflow. Attach files. They can upload relevant documents and files to tasks and projects. Track time. If time tracking is enabled, they can log their time spent working on tasks. However, collaborators generally cannot create new projects or folders, invite new users, or modify the structure of the workspace. Their focus is on executing assigned work and contributing to ongoing projects. This access level is ideal for team members who need to actively contribute without needing administrative control. 3. External user limited access. In today's interconnected business environment, collaboration often extends beyond the boundaries of your organization. Wrike's external user access level caters to this need. It allows you to grant limited access to clients, contractors, or other external stakeholders. External users can typically view specific shared items. They can only see the specific tasks, projects, or folders that have been explicitly shared with them. Participate in discussions. They can comment on the shared items, providing feedback or receiving updates. Submit forms. If forms have been shared with them, they can submit information through them.